the issue of your tongue, make sure as a couple you only utter respectful words. Both families, mashallah, tabarakallah, I speak on a lot of occasions of nikah, and I always say, our parents will guide us, they will advise us. That is not revelation from the sky. A lot of the times, because of them wanting to see goodness for us, they say things. At the end of the day, the decision will be between husband and wife, remembering that the husband is actually the leader of the home. We are Muslims and we do believe that he is the Amir of the home. That meaning does not actually say that he becomes a tyrant and he starts, unleashing his unreasonability, but rather it is leadership in the home because he is responsible for the upkeep, for the protection of the home, the security of the home, so many other duties that Allah has given him looking after the home. Whereas the wife is, yes, the wife comes in a unique relationship where she definitely falls immediately under the husband in one way, but together in many, many ways. In your duty unto Allah, you are absolutely equal. You have to fulfill your duty unto Allah together. In considering one, your Amir, there is the other who is not the Amir. So you have to have one leader and the other is the deputy or the vice or the one who comes slightly, after that Amir. That does not drop your level in any way in the eyes of Allah, but someone, somewhere, somehow has to be, the leader. As Muslims, and even those of other Semitic faiths, they consider the husband the leader of the home. He's the one who has a lot of responsibility. When we acknowledge that role, and when the husbands fulfill that role, and when we acknowledge that he definitely is that Amir, that is when we will find a lot of goodness that will come in our direction and the directions of our children, because that is how we will be able to improve and teach the next generation about the deen of Allah. And that is how together we will fulfill the plan of Allah.